Harrison?
Daddy, that's stupid.
Stand up.
That's stupid, Daddy.
Stand up. Don't say that word, please. Stand up. Harrison.
I want to punch your bag.
Stand up and tip it over and you can get out.
I want to get out here.
What are you doing in there?
I want to get out here.
Hello? Hi.
What do you need up?
All you have to do now
What?
is tip it over, yeah, like this.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa.
I'm in.
You're out.
I get out.
Was that fun?
Again.
Again. You have to go in backwards. Go in feet first. Turn around in there. Turn around. Now slide down. Slide down that way. Go down. Keep going in. Hello? You like it?
I want to. Oh.
Say goodbye.